Us our man for adwuma say o mo boss Dblack no. Mo hear ni record label na the way asesa man na begu so ni the way amoye na. Enye music ni hia no but opempem my boys. Eti eye rumor a man for ka okrom. Eti unya kwanya say na o address ya. Then you clear the air.
Yeah,
then you let the people know say perception enye no correct. So once again, if I say o man Ghana for tiasie say asema okay, I want you to repeat. Say the by free necrono. Nobody will even say it anywhere again. Say you say Dblack epimpemo e mano e masika for Jiska. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
It's been a year, right? Oba has you are always sweet, always looking good.
Thank you.
You like this particular Sebo Atade, no pao?
Yeah.
The last time Oba had no, I don't know. That was a picture I show.
Yeah, a picture.
I like it. Our tiger.
That's it. I think that I'm naturally just drawn to materials like this.
That's good. That's good. You continue to be the sweet Sefa, the calm Sefa that we know.
Thank you.
Happy New Year, so.
Many happy returns.
How was the Christmas? What did you say?
Christmas in there, it was fun and shows here and there. And when you said me before Christmas, I released an album. It's a promote. Near the Christmas in there, normal work environment now.
Good. Who do you Accra now to Accra?
Oh yeah. You do Christmas for Accra.
Okay.
Yeah, the Christmas for Accra.
Okay. Yeah. Na Corona so buy no. And then send be brain a buy 2020. Me sure say man timi ambo shows be brain said na mo hwe na now there na different. Onya shows kakra boy. Me
shows boy, but most of the shows that has the populations that's field shows near there then they intimi organize it but most of them virtual concerts, private shows near there need able be kakra.
I see. Now this kakra about 2020.
2020 dear sikani dear na yesikana shikaka. But I mean as long as we are not eating grass, we are grateful to God. That's and we know everything will be fine.
That's good. Please, if you have any question for Sefa, she's here. Mamusa Manfasha say thumbs up. I mean Ubia, I think there's a lady here, Angela, or say Sefa, you look so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
And Raymond says Sefa, nice one there. And Amos or say Sefa, you are too fresh. And Wama kiss Ewoho. Ijaba or say Sefa, I love your dressing and your hairstyle, very beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
We also say Sefa, you are so sweet. Look at your skin, beautiful skin.
Hey, wow.
I want from our colleague. We also say Sefa, you look too cool for music. But you're doing so well. I see a friend Frank, and we also say a friend Anna and Frank and was a nice one, Sefa. We also say, look at her teeth, very beautiful teeth. Oh, sir, it's we also on Kasabi.
Maybe one will be.
We also say, oh, Tema, big ups to you, Sefa. We love you so much. Your friend Amidat.
Thank you.
And Lauren said, Sefa, I love your hair. I say the hair, I love the hair. Adamu Alasan says, so cute, Sefa. Kofi Bonsi said, I love you, Sefa. I say, I love you for no dorsal. I love you for no devil. Sefa, so far, what you do saying?
Oh, since I'm releasing album, my album alone has 12 songs on it. I can say roughly, I'm almost at 20 songs. Semi county features now that I can remember 20 at the moment. In all, the hepana a maolam light kese pa, the hina a unity pa. I know it's very obvious. Sugar did everything for me. Sugar nema for me like okay or no brano before it but although it was no more in the villages near there, but Accra there sugar. The man okay.
And then you know we how be brave. Oh, that be more so you've been here before.
Yeah,
you are our darling, you know. Come on here, baby, celebrate you na yabo abaso so. See, currently, unyumbe na promote CCA as of now. I can say.
We promoted the album, but you released the first single of the album, which features Wendy Shea.
Okay.
In TM, we say, "Nena aman kofo eni akufo kakra." It's so far no, and most of the time I hear people play it and player. So featuring Wendy Shea player.
But do you have the full album here?
Yes, I do.
Do you have it here, the full album, all the songs? Okay. Yeah, no, you can bring it to me. If it's not here too, no problem. You bet me I promote it here. Yeah, available. Okay, then deal with the producer. Okay, Sefa, you are doing well. You are really doing well. You are really doing well. I said umpo hasem. I said you do your cannabis. I said umpo hasem. But me the last time I know you say Ghanaians are not really supporting you because ebia you no. Is there any change now? Are they supporting you now?
I think now they are being more friendly as compared to before, and I feel that right now I'm beginning to learn more in the industry. I'm still growing. I'm still learning. Inti kakra me mistake kakra na yatia me kakra kakra so na nkofa bo maboso oh you are doing well, you are doing okay. Inti I think that they are still trying to accept me for who I am and what I do. Inti they are not fully on board 100%, but almost try best like 70% more.
So far mistakes been a why year over industry mo one kasa onim say we mistakes a why year as a musician over industry. Do you know the mistakes you've made so far?
As I said earlier on, I'm human, so I might not know. Mistakes be over I feel like, oh, this is normal to me, but to somebody else it's not normal, because I can't say this is what I've done, because sometimes people catch him say, oh Sefa, you said this one somewhere that I didn't think was right, but me I can't say if you catch him say me Bob I don't know.
Into one kasa who said a mistake be a why why would that be no, I shouldn't have done this. I mean, like you said, we are humans and we always have track records of the things we do.
Okay, for example, I think Semiko interviewed you or one of the stations, and then they were asking me questions, and I am said that day and like it felt as though they were concentrating more on my appearance than my music, so I kind of flipped a little out of the normal calm me, and yes, but then I was more like, I don't know, I was trying to put a point out and they were saying something, and that is not me as a person, because me on a normal note me in casa. So that was the time that I felt like, oh no Sefa, maybe you should have just kept quiet and I'll be beside. So I think that is the only mistake I might not do interview.
Okay. Who will be a boom for
oh that be semi bufu
I see. So how is music treating you, the industry? How is it treating you so far?
Oh, it's been amazing. It's been so much. A lot of work has gone into it, and a lot of passion and emotions has gone into it. And I'm saying that maybe right now I'm not where I see myself to be here, because God is preparing me for a better thing like at another time. But then right now the support that people are giving me and the love people are showing me is way better than before when I joined the industry, and everybody is trying to warm up to my music, to my album, and to me as a person. I think right now they are trying, and with the whole more presenters, they be more can support women, so I think they are warming up to it. So.
But now do you see that the women are doing well?
Oh, the women are doing amazing. I've always seen that the women are doing amazing. I just feel like their works are not being put out there more, because they've always been doing amazing to me. Because the answer na me joining, and I used to watch them sing but I think now the women are getting out of that zone where it's like, you can't put me in a box. You can't tell me what to do. So now they are spreading their wings and they are going to places. I think that's what is going on now.
All right. Sefa, if you should, name 3 top female musicians right now in Ghana, who and who will you nominate?
Efia.
Okay.
I'll nominate Sister Efia. And then Sister Efia, and then Efia Nocturnal.
Okay.
And then I think I'll nominate Becca. Yeah, I'll nominate Becca.
Oh, okay. You haven't seen Wendy Shea?
Oh, I've seen Wendy. Wendy is
she's not
amazing.
Part of the first 3.
No, you see, everybody has preferences, and I think she's doing great. She's doing amazing. But me, if you ask me to mention, I always mention people that I've known 10 years back that are still doing it. So she's doing amazing. But these are like mine.
That's good. That's good. Where will you place yourself?
Oh, me, I think I'm just a young girl who's trying, who's doing amazing for herself.
Okay.
Like, me forces and kakaka me do hono.
Until say ugusoba.
Yeah, because baby I see myself to be. I'm not yet there.
Okay.
And until I'm there, I still think that I have to put in more work and try.
Where do you want to be?
Oh. Nana Romeo, you know.
I know.
You know the story already. You know already.
I know.
I mean, I want to be somewhere that I don't have to wake up one day and then have to cry because somebody is not playing my song or something. Like you now, you get it.
Yeah, I know.
Even when he explain to you.
And normally no rumor I ti wo krom no. You bisa na wa clear. You bisa we are clear. Because our man for adwuma say o, my boss Dblack no. We hear ni record label na the way asesa man na begusu ni the way amoye na. Enya music ni hia no, but opempe mu ma boys. Eti eye rumor a man for ka wo krom. Eti unya kwanya say na o address here. Then you clear the air.
Yeah,
then you let the people know say perception enya no correct. So once again, if I say o man Ghana for tiasie say asema okay, I want you to repeat. Say the by free necrono. Nobody will even say it anywhere again. Say Dblack epimpimo e mano emasika for jiska.
And I make as I said earlier on, he said we are all on a label. So if somebody is trying to tell you to do something you don't want to do, you have every right to say no, I'm not going to do it. Yes, I'm going to do it. And you have to say family members over there. My boss, I mean, I don't know who has ever seen me at Onyx or Oasis before. I'm sure the bloggers have seen me over there before. I'm not even allowed to move without a bouncer following me or without somebody following me to go and see what I'm doing or what she's up to. And I feel like it's because with Black Avenue Music, the ladies, they are more free. We express ourselves a lot. We do what we want to do because, I mean, we are not put under any band, they say, anyway. So people think that we are giving more free will and because we are close to our boss, so he's doing this kind of things. And Nikache will say, if I was doing this kind of things, and can be playing around with here because my boys and your small boys are no more really.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Tina say, no cressa or boss Dblack epimpe mama iska for.
At all.
That's it.